What is up, guys? TechRex here. In this video we're going to be water testing the Samsung Galaxy S4. Here it is now. I know it kind of looks beat up, but that's because I did the drop test on it and it still survived. It still works. This part doesn't work though, so that's the only really issue. You've got some scratches on the back, but let's see how well it stands with water. Okay, so let's see. Oh wow, phone still works. Would you look at that? I don't know why it's showing me the map, but anyways, that's pretty much it for the water test. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more videos, guys, and as always, peace out.